Members of Edo State Civil Society Organization on advocacy campaign around major streets, distributing flyers on the hardship the land use charge law will inflict on residents should the law be enforced. The civil rights activists who stopped at major spots drew the attention of passers-by who took part in the struggle. Speaking at the various spots, the coordinator Edo State Civil Society Organization, Comrade Omombode Ago, and other speakers said the move to stop Edo State Government from enforcing the land use charge law is not personal, but in the interest of the masses, most especially tenants who will bear the major burden of the outcome of the law. They alleged that information reaching them indicates that government has perfected plans to punish those who fail to comply, and reminding government that the said matter is in court, and called on government to wait for the outcome of the court judgment.
We are moving around to tell the people that they must ignore, they must resist, they must reject this tenement law, as it is not obtainable anywhere. As we speak, this case is in court. It's still under serious judicial scrutiny. So as on that matter, every person should stay action until the determination of court.
We actually rejected this land use charge because we also believe the people of Edo State deserve some certain basic amenities from the government. You will agree with me that it is the responsibility of the government to provide roads, to provide electricity, to give us water, to give us health care center and welfare package. But we don't have these things today. The government have no moral ground to collect the land use charge. Not until that time when the Edo people have access to these things.
Once they pay the tax, this land use charges they pay, they will not increase the rentage. And once they increase the rentage, what's happened to the market woman that sells tomatoes? Market woman will increase the tomatoes. Those selling bread will increase bread. The transport they will increase their transport. The chemist man will increase their drugs. My brother, if they do this, there will be hardship.
However, the Commissioner for Housing and Urban Development, Architect Frank Ewanwa, had in previous interview said that Nigeria operates a democratic system of government where people are free to air their views, adding that the plans by government to enforce the land use charge law is for the overall well-being of the state.
We're in a democratic country and people have the right to express their opinion about anything, particularly as it concerns government.
The group, however, threatened to resist the land use charge law. Wellington Kodeja reporting.